Hello guys and welcome to Night Haste. Today I'm bringing you a new game called How to Survive Storm Warning Edition. It's one of the free games that you can download on Xbox if you have the Go membership anyways. And from what I've seen and what I read about, is basically trying to survive the zombie apocalypse, and in the looks of it, it looks like more like you play like Diablo 2, Diablo 3 style gameplays. So, I've never played this. I just heard about it, and a lot of people on my Twitter account have asked and suggested me to play this. So, here it is, guys. How to survive, man. Let's see if we can actually do this. I've never played this, so let's check it out. Okay, main menu. Play the story of challenges offline, solo or with a friend. Online. Play challenges with connected friends. Survival guide. All your discoveries gathered together in a book. Stay tuned. Okay, and there's the leaderboard option, downloadable contacts. Okay. Let's try by ourselves, test it out. And I guess we can go with the story mode. Meet the survivors of these truly fucked up island. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, meet the survivors of these truly fucked up islands and find a way of getting out of this zombie infected hell. Yo, I like this. What the hell? Uh, all right, story mode. One player. Okay, characters. I can be like a female, like several different characters. Okay. Uh, Character. Okay. Don't let Kenjis. I can't even pronounce that name. Lilith. Okay, blah blah blah. Good looks fool you. Blah blah blah. Okay. She's a ninja girl. Okay. Jack is one of the hefty fellows, built like a brick. Okay, in fact, this isn't a great outdoors he's so familiar with. He's definitely no stranger. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, so he's the hefty guy. Since I'm a hefty fella, I might go with this Jack guy. We got Abby, we got Nina, and we got Kenji. Are you watching me? Like, really? But, yeah, I can hear it. No, I can actually hear it. But anyway, no, I can hear it on the headset. I'm hearing myself talk. It's all good. I'll pick Jack. Why not? I'm a hefty guy, and we hefty guys have to stick together. So I like to play on normal. I do not like to play on easy. And normal is just to get me set and like started and see how it goes. Because if you play on easy, you'll have a chance of survival for at least a few days. There will be blood and tears, but this mode will make you a true survivor. Then you got the Iron Man, which is this extreme mode will push the limits of survival and will take you to a new dimension. You are warned. Blah blah blah. Yada yada. I try normal because I really don't know anything about this game, so I really want to try and live. And once I get pretty comfortable with it, and used to the challenges and everything, I'll go for the um I'll go for the Ironman.
Our position 2 nautical miles southwest of Los Riscos Island. We require immediate assistance. Our controls are out. Visibility poor. Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is the Coast Guard station, Brands Point, Scamper VO 2841. Coast Guard station, Brands Point, channel 16. Your trajectory is fine. Keep your course. Over. Coast Guard, please confirm. Reef right ahead.
Sorry for what? Oh, it's all good. Okay, approximate time 1300. No, Billy. If you have it, the volume up, it goes into your mic.
Help! Ah.
All right, let's see what.
Hey, you, please. I need some help. I was attacked. I'm exhausted. There are monsters everywhere
Hold on.
on this goddamn island. Some followed me and surrounded me on this beach. I managed to kill some of them, but look, bastards bit me. Listen, I know there are medicinal plants around here. You gotta bring me one. It should ease the pain. Please. Be quick. I'm bleeding.
Find a medicinal plant and bring it back to Andrew. Why do I have a feeling that you're going to die and become a mommy or a zombie and just freaking attack me? Why? Ooh, is that a gun? Can I pick it up? Nope. Rue Prophet? Really? No, wow. For those that don't know who Rue Prophet is he's a friend of mine on my friend list. And here's his tomb. Well, yeah. Yo, Rue, if you're actually watching this, I'm at your gravesite. Oh, right there. Okay.
Thanks, pal. These plants taste like shit, but they're pretty good painkillers. You may need them yourself. Here's hoping you don't.
Mission complete. Okay. Remember, if you were bitten by a zombie, you will turn.
Hey, my name's Andrew. I'm not sure how I ended up here. It's a little hazy. But this place, it's a nightmare. A living nightmare. I'm one of a small group of survivors. It's been about a week since we tried and failed to escape these islands. It seems impossible to get off. Many of us have died, devoured by these damned monsters. Right now, my friend Ramon is all I've got left. The rest are either dead or walking dead. Ramon is injured and can hardly move. I left him close to our boat while I went to find fuel. Please find him. Tell him that I'm injured and stuck here. You'll find him on the beach, on the east side of the island. Listen. Be careful. Really careful. The island is swarming with these fucking monsters. Here, take this stick. You'll need it to survive.
What is the stick gonna do? Okay. So if I use my right analog stick, it makes me walk. If without it, okay. I see. That's how you run. That's a freaking gun right there. I think no, it's a shoe. I could have sworn that was a gun. Okay. Oh, okay, okay, I see. How to survive.
Kovacs rules.
Give me some rules.
Introduction. Greetings. If you are reading this, you are probably afraid for your life. You will be lost and hungry. And if you have not already, you will soon encounter the many zombies who live here. Please, stay positive. The situation is desperate, but not lost. Thanks to my survival guide, you will get through this.
Okay.
My guide is a thorough training program to help you survive the most extreme environments. It contains all you need to combat the zombies. Good luck, and see you soon, survivor! Remember, unarmed combat is useless against these monsters. Always use a weapon.
Okay. I like that. Okay. Night Fox 1978 79. Rest in peace, my brother. Because you have died. Uh Group Xeno. Not sure who you are, but let me bash that head up. I love this game. I can bash like that, really? No, no. Shoot. Ugh. Oh yeah, I know I'm gonna be loving this game. This game is freaking sick. We got Killer Karen 142690. That's perished. Lilith for life, man. Another zombie.
Kovacs rules.
Let's hear some Kovacs rules.
Close combat.
Chapter 1.
Here are some basic rules you have to keep in mind when you have to confront a monster during close combat. Use the right stick to aim.
Okay.
You still can move while aiming. Hold strike to increase its damages. Press the A button when kill appears above a hurt monster to make an instant kill.
Oh my gosh! What the hell? Oh, I'm loving this. Wolfpack, Rambo, Razorblade Kiss. Yo, Jazz. Oh, I'm loving this guy. Stay away from me. I'll stab you. My friends Wolfpack and Razorblades. No, don't die. I'm grieving for you guys. Does it work? Okay. Well, anyways, I'm grieving for you guys, man. I avenged you. I killed them for you guys. So, I had to drink, you know, because of the fact that I just kicked some behemoth Tucuses. I'll take them. I know. I wanted to do the kill thing. Did I say get up? No. What? What? Man, so many people. Yes. Yo, I love this guy. Oh, he freaking pow. Oh wow. Yo, I like this. This guy's freaking awesome. Oh no. I ran out of weapons. How can I fight with no weapon? How do you get weapons? Like, ah, come on, don't mess up. Ah. So apparently your weapons do have resilience, and go after him. Yeah, eat him. No, eat him. I said, leave me alone. For me, that has no life. This is the end. Ah! Zombies! I'm running into the water. Ah! I have died. I have perished. Like, I wish I knew how to actually make the weapons. Okay, but these things do have resilience. So, I gotta find me a secondary weapon if I... 'cause otherwise... is there a way? Hmm... Okay, this is the weapon place, but where... if I had to, wooden stick. Strong, stiff piece of wood. Great for beating things. Hmm. I've literally passed away, guys. It's hard. It is. Because once you lose a step, man. Alright. Man, this game is freaking awesome. That guy's twitching. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, good. Not a survival guide.
Kovacs rules. Chapter 2. Healing. Fracture. Cut.
Ugh.
Disembowelment. To be a survivor means to have injuries, yet live. So, if you get injured, and you will, do not fear. Help is at hand. The islands are full of medicinal plants to treat your wounds. Eating these plants will help you to regain your health. For more serious wounds, put the leaves in a cloth to make a poultice. Finally, I have left some presents for you. The medkits are powerful gifts. They will fully heal you in a flash. So,
Yeah.
never give up and fight.
I think so. Really? I'm gonna have a missing leg. Man, I love this. He just bashed his head in. But yeah. This is gruesome. I'm enjoying this. If there's any like any type of movie or any type of game that I can bash some zombies' heads in, this is it. Hybrid Elite 21. Rest in peace, my brother.
Hey, who are you? And where's Andrew? You met him? Where is he? Oh, shit, that's terrible news. Yo, if they bit him, it's all over. It's only a matter of time. He's gonna turn into a monster too. Yeah, I got bit too. That's why I cut my leg off. Yo, my own leg. I had no choice. I want out of here alive. So what about you? Have any teeth marks to declare? No? Wait, and you got here, what, with just a stick? I'm impressed. Listen, if Andrew's bitten, then I'm shit out of luck. You've got to help me. But look, I can help you too. I know how to survive. Come on, we can work together. You and I. Here, take this. You got a whole heap of shit ahead of you. If you want to stay alive, you're gonna have to use it. Comprende? Yo, it's kill or be killed. Yo, hack and attack, papa. Okay.
Hack and attack, papa.
Night's about to fall, and I got a favor to ask you. Come on. Don't be shy.
Okay. I got a machete now, guys. I'll take those herbs too. Okay, there's a radio walkie-talkie over there, and I can't even pick it up. So I guess it's not, like, it's nothing important. Oh, another survival guide.
Kovacs rules.
Let's do Kovac.
Chapter 3, Skills. You can upgrade your abilities throughout your trip. To do this, open your inventory and go to the skills screen. There are many abilities that you can acquire, thanks to the experience you build up during your adventure. The first one allows you to light up campfires.
Really? A zombie shish kebab. Alright. So I go here to survival. No. You're right. No. Options. No. Okay, so we got the wooden stick. We got this thing in my bobber. This. Oh yeah, made us stronger. Look at that. I made that baby. And I can switch with Y. Okay, okay. How did okay, so B. Okay, okay, okay. I see. Alright, so this one right here. The ability to light up fire cans and cat and torches. Okay, that's good. Because we want that as a survival meaning to cook or whatnot, probably. So I assume that you'll be able to cook and make food to survive. And I like these survival games. They're actually pretty cool.
Here's the plan. Last week, on another island, we found an old air tanker. It's damaged, but we could repair it and escape. Boats can get us
Yeah.
out onto island, but by air. That seems to be the
Alright, man.
Andrew's mission was to find gas for the plane. This is your job now.
Alright.
Problem is, night is coming, and you need to
No problem.
know some really freaky creatures come out only at night, along with the other monsters. These creatures are vile and really aggressive. They only attack when it's dark and hate bright lights, so at least you can use that against them. I'll give you my personal flashlight to go to the village, but can I ask you to light me the campfire just here?
Okay, I already unlocked it, so no problem. I guess this is the campfire. To light a fire, unlock. I already did, didn't I? Yeah, it's already there. A point. Okay. You use a piece of flint. Okay. Do I have a piece of flint? This is my inventory, so I'm like still trying to figure out what to do.
Light the campfire for me, please. I don't want to stay here in the dark with these nasty nocturnal things. It's terrible.
Yeah, no problem. If I need flint, some sort. To light a fire, unlock the required ability in the skill tree. Select and use a piece of flint. I don't have a piece of flint. Did I? I might have used it. Oops. Twitching. Okay. There's no flint here. Okay, maybe now I can do it. All right. Whoops. Okay. All right. Okay, got that. And what do I do? Like, serious. It's saying LB, which is left pressing left bumper, right bumper. Which one is it? I need something like a flint of some sort. Oh, they spawn back. One strike, that's how powerful I am. Man. Hmm. Picked up another stick. Hmm. If you guys actually know where to pick up like stuff like this, like Flint and other stuff like that, or how to use these abilities, please, write them on the message below, and I'll read it. I would like to know how to work this game. I'm still new at it. Today, this is my first gameplay out of it, so I'm trying to figure it out, and I'm enjoying it so far. I just one shot kill, like screw you, son, bitch. Hi. You hear that, right? Hi. Each time you level up, you can... Okay, so I could select the skill every time I level up. That's not bad. Come on, I'm over here. And it says... Ignite LB. Uh, but it also says I need a flint. Let's see. Survival guide. Rick's rules. Chapter 3. I gotta rewatch it, I guess.
Kovacs rules. Chapter 3. Skills. You can upgrade your abilities throughout your trip. To do this, open your inventory and go to the skills screen. There are many abilities that you can acquire, thanks to the experience you build up during your adventure. The first one allows you to light up campfires.
Okay. But it doesn't tell you how to. I know the first one is to light up campfires, but how would you light up a campfire? It probably is something obvious I'm missing out. Anyways, I might just end it right here and try to figure out how to do it. So when we come back next time, I'll be able to find out how to light up stuff, and we can move on from here. But anyways, Xbox, not Twitch. Wow. Retarded, huh? Anyways, guys, I do apologize for that. That's the first time it's actually ever done that stupid thing. But okay, anyways, I want to say thank you for joining Night Haze. I'm your host, Zerban.